How to use AI powered budgeting apps. Tired of wondering where your money goes? YNAB, You Need a Budget gives you control. YNAB uses a zero based budget. Every dollar gets a job. It's proactive, not reactive. No more where did it go moments. You'll assign every dollar you earn to a specific category, whether it's groceries, rent, or entertainment. YNAB's AI analyzes your spending patterns and provides personalized insights. Set goals, saving, debt, payoff, anything. YNAB helps you visualize your progress and stay motivated. It takes some initial effort to set up and learn the YNAB method, but the results are worth it. If you're ready to take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom, YNAB is a powerful tool.